Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today's recipe is a powder that I'm going to make. I have made this video in my initial when I start this channel, but the audios are not that clear, so I decided to make it again. So cardamom powder. How to make cardamom powder? It only takes 2 ingredients: cardamom pods, green cardamom pods, about half a cup, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's it. So let's see how this to be made. And for those who are new, welcome aboard to watch my video. And if you really like the video, I don't mind that it will help the algorithm, and it will be very helpful for me too to provide more contents. So if you'd like, you can like, share and subscribe. So this is an easy recipe. Let's see how to do it. So to start, get your coffee grinder out. It is very simple. We are going to grind it in a coffee grinder. So we will add half a cup of the green cardamom with its lids, cover it and start grinding. And we need to grind this into a horsepower texture. Then after that we will add the sugar. So this is a coarse texture and is also more to the powder, and we can add the 1 teaspoon of sugar and grind it until to a fine powder. So now the powder is ready. It's very easy and simple. Even a newborn baby can do it. So this is how we do cardamom powder. So now this powder would be still warm, so we need to cool it off. So we'll transfer this from the grinder to the bowl, and then we'll cool it off about 15 to 30 minutes. Then after that we can store them into the bottle. Now it's cooling time. We will meet each other after 15 to 30 minutes. And dear viewers, this is my old bottle, and usually I store them in this, and I also have the glass bottle as well, but I prefer to store them in this. So all you need to do is just transfer this into the bottle and then close it off, and you can use them for many dishes. Especially the Indian sweets, we use a lot of cardamom, and so this would be beneficial. I usually grind them every few months once, and this will last me approximately about 1 to 2 months or 3 months, depends on how much is my usage. And as I am as a content creator, so when I do the Indian dishes, so I use a lot in this. So I hope you have learned how to make cardamom powder. We have come to our end of video, how to make cardamom powder. And so, my dear friends and those who are viewing, thank you very much. And this is how you make your cardamom powder. Very simple, easy, only 2 ingredients. And so I hope you will make them and stock them in your home. And I have other masala powders as well. Please watch that video. Make all these masalas and keep in your home, because there are some recipes will require this kind of masalas. So I hope you will try. So thank you for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you in my next video. And for those who are new, welcome aboard. And those who are with me, thank you very much. And if you have liked the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. And till then, bye bye.